Once upon a time, there lived an elderly monk who was known for his wisdom. One day, a man came to him for advice. "Sir, my mind is very restless. It is filled with overwhelming thoughts all day. Please teach me some mantra to control the thoughts in my mind." The kind monk looked him in the eyes and said, "My friend, practice meditation every day. Your mind will start to quiet down eventually." But the man replied, "Sir, I can't do meditation. Every time I start, my mind is filled with more thoughts, and most of them are negative thoughts." The monk said, "Don't worry, son. It happens at the beginning stage of practice. After a while, slowly, your mind will become clear." But the man was not convinced. "Sir, meditation doesn't suit me. Please teach me some mantras to calm my mind." The monk realized he couldn't get through to this person with words. Then he said, "Okay, I will now give you a very powerful mantra. Recite this mantra every day while sitting alone in a quiet place." The monk whispered a mantra in his ear. The man got very happy. He thanked the monk and promised to recite the mantra every day. But when he was about to leave, the monk said, "Remember, don't think about monkeys when you recite this. The mantra won't work if you think about monkeys." "Why would I think about monkeys? I've never thought about monkeys before," the man said, confused. And the man returned to his home. He sat down happily to recite the mantra. But when he started chanting, the monk's words came to his mind. "Don't think about monkeys when you recite the mantra." His mind started picturing monkeys. He tried to ignore the thought, but the more he tried to ignore, the more his mind started thinking about monkeys. After some time, all he could think of was monkeys. The man thought, "Why did the monk give me this instruction? If he knew the monkey was trouble, then he shouldn't have mentioned it. All my thoughts are about monkeys now. Nothing else comes to mind." He decided to take a break. He bathed, changed into fresh clothes, and sat in a quiet room. He tried again, but as soon as he closed his eyes, monkeys started nudging him. At night, he couldn't sleep a wink because he kept thinking about monkeys. He felt like he was going insane. The next morning, he went to the monk and told him about his experience. "What kind of mantra is this? I never used to think about monkeys before, but now my mind is filled with nothing but monkeys." The monk said, "Calm down. Stop chanting the mantra now. Don't do anything." The man sat down, feeling relaxed, and he was surprised. There were no thoughts about monkeys now. Everything went back to normal. Then the monk said, "My friend, I just wanted you to realize the nature of our minds. You must never fight with your own mind. Just like pushing a ball into the water, the harder you push, the faster it comes out. The more you try to suppress your thoughts, the stronger they become. Be calm. Just observe your thoughts like passing clouds. Your mind will automatically start to calm down." To observe your mind, you need meditation. Our minds are like a monkey, constantly jumping from one thought to another. The more you try to control it, it will react like a mad monkey. Tame your mind by just observing it. Understand that your thoughts are just the nature of how your mind operates. Understand that they are a part of you. You'll begin to control your thoughts once you realize this simple truth. The effort you put into suppressing them becomes the very energy that fuels them. The effort you put to avoid them becomes attention. Therefore, you neither suppress them nor ignore them. Just observe like a third person would. But it's harder not to react to these thoughts, which might be overwhelming at times. Watch this video to learn how to stop reacting to your thoughts.